Hello friend, today we learn about the quadrature detector. Quadrature detector and PLL, phase lock loop, both are for the fabrication purpose. The slope detector, balance slope detector, Foster-Seeley discriminator, ratio detector, that all detectors with the transformer. So it is very difficult to fabricate the circuitry with the transformer. That's why we have the another two types of phase discriminator, that is quadrature detector and PLL. So today we learn about the quadrature detector. This one is the circuit diagram of quadrature detector. Here in this quadrature detector, this tank circuit is in series with the CI. This whole circuitry is act as a phase shifter, the output of the phase shifter is given to the product detector. The FM input is directly given to the product detector. The VI and V0, they are out of phase with each other. They are out of phase with the 90 degree or less than 90 degree or more than 90 degree. Output of the product detector is given to the RC filter, which average out the output of the product detector. The quadrature detector extract the original information by multiplying the two quadrature signals, and here this phase shift is directly proportional to the frequency deviation. So ultimately the output of the circuitry is directly proportional to the phase shift between these two signals, and it is directly proportional to the frequency deviation. So consider the three cases. In the first case, when this tank circuit get tuned to the carrier frequency FC. In that case, the total reactance of this tank circuit is resistive. This V0 phase shifter output leading the VI by 90 degree. So coincidence phase of VI and V0, that is 90 degree. So output get produced for the phase shift of 90 degree. So, and that output is proportional to the input frequency deviation. See here, the V out is equal to VI into V0. VI is defined here, V0 is defined here. VI and V0, they are 90 degree out of phase with each other. So one function is sine, another function is cos. After solving this, we get V out equal to VI V0 divided by 2 sine theta. The second harmonics 2 Wi is filtered out through the RC filter. Now consider the another two cases. So here in a second case, the tank circuit is tuned for the frequency below the carrier frequency. The total reactance of the tank circuit is inductive. V0 leading VI for more than 90 degree. So coincidence phase is less than 90 degree. So output get produced for the phase less than 90 degree. So average output is low. In third case, the tank circuit get tuned for the above carrier frequency. So total reactance of the tank circuit is capacitive. V0 lead VI for less than 90 degree. So coincidence phase is more than 90 degree. Output produced is high. So in this way, the quadrature detector work. The output voltage is directly proportional to the phase shift between the two signals, and the phase shift between the two signals is directly proportional to the frequency deviation from the input signal.